Okay, all right. Yeah. Very sorry. Let's start. So first one, I'm just gonna make an extrusion. Extrusions are easier because if even if there is a problem, we can find it out easily. அதுக்கப்புறமா control points வச்சு you can edit the surface. So I'll have a typical extrusion here, some extrusion, and I'm gonna have an object. You can have any object. I'm just preferring a torus. So I have a torus. So like before, I'll repeat again. I'm setting a surface. I'm gonna set this surface. Let me hide it. So I have the surface. இப்போ நம்மளுக்கு we need multiple points on the surface. So அதனால area குட்டி குட்டி surface divide பண்ணி area centroid கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். So I'm giving an isotrim, divide domain square. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a u and a v number slider. So data plug பண்ணியாச்சு. This I'm gonna group it. சின்ன சின்ன surface பண்ணியாச்சு. I'm gonna hide all the bigger surface. இப்போ what we are gonna do is we are gonna calculate the area. Area ஏன் பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா center point எடுக்க. Now we've got all the points. இப்போ இதுல இருக்க planes எல்லாத்தையும் surface curvature ஏத்த மாதிரி மாத்தணும். Again, standard we've got two things to do. First வந்து surface closest to point. Next வந்து evaluate surface. So surface closest to point the points வந்து இது surface வந்து மேல அது then the bigger surface. If a UV point is going to be our final point and the surface is again going to be our original surface. So we've got all these planes happening. So இப்போ till here I think we did it before the power went off. So right now what I'm going to do is set this brep. So I am setting this brep, set one brep. இப்போ what I need to do is I need to find that center point. So 3D volume volume use panna we can get a center point. So there you go. That's your center point. Now இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா இந்த geometry let's hide it off. இப்போ we need to orient. Let's make the surface a little bit bigger. The geometry seems to be torus வந்து it seems to be a little bit more yeah, this should work. So we are going to use a component called orient. So orient என்ன நடக்கும் அப்படின்னா so say there will be a default orient plane. இந்த planeல என்ன இருக்கோ அந்த planeல இருக்க objects எல்லாத்தையும் இந்த planeக்கு வந்து according to the curvature அப்படியே convert பண்ணும். So over here our object is here but our plane is here. அதனால தான் we found the center point. So we can connect this to here. So in the volume ஓட center pointer so connect பண்ணிட்டு I mean, we need a plane. So XY plane again. இதை கனெக்ட் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து இங்க பிளேன் வந்துருச்சு. நம்ம ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு we have a plane. So இதை வந்து we are going to connect it to source plane. Done. இப்போ இந்த brep தான் வந்து so this is a small thing in order to make set the plane. இப்போ இந்த geometry brep தான் நம்மளோட geometry which has to be moved. ஸோ இப்போ ஓரியன்ட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன நடக்குது அப்படின்னா இங்க இருக்க பிளேனுக்கு வந்து 0 0க்கு வந்து ஓரியன்ட் பண்ணுது பிகாஸ் த டார்கெட் இஸ் இஃப் யூ சி ஒன் லோக்கலி டிஃபைன் வேல்யூ விச் இஸ் 0. ஸோ 0ல கொண்டு போய் பிளேஸ் பண்ணுது. ஸோ இன்ஸ்டெட் வாட் வி காட் டு டூ இஸ் நம்ம கிட்ட வி ஆல்ரெடி ஹாவ் த ஃப்ரேம்ஸ் வி ஜஸ்ட் ஹாவ் டு பிளக் திஸ் இன் ஹியர். So if you see over here, it's the same concept but just in a different way. So I'm just gonna quickly just bring this here. And I'm gonna make a quick group. So if I kind of play along with the surface, if I unhide the surface, so that's our surface. So I can kind of rebuild the surface. Points on punter. So what will happen is, say, Elatheum will hide everything off. So what happens is those toruses kind of like get tessellated on the surface. So idhula vande you can again control the amount of torus that is retained on the surface. Inga slider is 10-10. What if I give her 20? So 20 kudukumbodhu, proportionately it keeps changing. Say if I connect 20 to the other end also. So there you go. You can, and like it doesn't have to be necessarily the torus. Say if I'm doing a boolean, so if I'm doing a boolean intersection. So boolean intersection object 1, object 2, enter. So I've got a very like interesting shape geometry here. So either one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it into my VREF. So if you see, what happens is that geometry gets placed on top of that surface. Very useful component which can be used in many ways. Like I'll just quickly bake this geometry as a group. So if I close this, if I go to rendered viewport, there you go. So last class la we kind of like saw how to orient like a particular we learned how to orient a particular polygon with respect to the surface. In Ikwande, it's a very similar process, just that we are kind of like orienting a shape geometry. No matter what the BREF is, it will get translated back into the surface. Say you can do iterations where like you say either edit fitter, if I just bring it over here, and now if I just give a connection, and say instead of 20, this might lag, but like let me just give it a shot. I'm gonna give her 80. Yep, as usual, like I gave a higher value and it's gonna take some time to, like set this off. So probably, I wanted to teach one more thing for, session one, but it's fine, like we can club it out with session two. So probably go, take a break, have your breakfast, give this a shot. If you got any other doubts with the previous scripts, I'll kind of like clear it out for you. So at the session, we'll have it at, it's 11 already. So we'll have it at 12. So 12 to 12:30, we'll have the second session. So yep, I'll share you with as soon as the script loads, I'll share you with a screenshot and, like the title, do give it a shot. Okay. Actually give me 1 second. There you go. It's very, like intense, but I can just quickly right click the geometry, make it as a group. So all that is different over here is the last class final script. What we did was we kind of like oriented a particular let me delete this so we don't have any other problems. So last session, what we did was we kind of like used a particular polygon and placed it on with respect to a surface's curvature. In the we've just used a polygon. So yep, I kind of like 80 into 80. That's a lot of subdivision. So I think like the file started lagging a bit. So there you go. You've got a lot of like so there is a lot of objects which is being oriented on top of each other, and like so you can have a lot of patterns, and you can there are particular applications of this also, like we'll slowly step by step. This is a aggregation technique, like so you're using a particular brep and you're aggregating it with respect to a surface's profile. So this is one of the aggregation techniques, but anyways, like uh, we'll kind of like group up at 11 at 12 to like have the next session. So even today, like I've actually decided that like I think it's going to be very hard to fit in 5 to 6 schedules in a I mean sessions in a day, unless like we extend it after 4. So like just the last 2 classes or the last one class according to requirement நம்மளுக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி will kind of like extend either the last 7th class or the 6th class. Apart from which, rest of the other classes will just keep it as 4 sessions per day. So it's kind of like easy on you and me also. So yep, I'll be ending the meeting right now. I'll share you with the recording in YouTube. I'll also send you a screenshot of the script. Do give it a shot. It's a very easy one. Session 2 is going to be a little bit more fast, and like we are going to cover a lot of other topics. So be a little bit prepared for session 2. Okay. All right. I'll see you people.
Thank you, sir.